In today's video, we'll be looking at conjugate complex numbers. That's conjugate of what? Complex numbers in that case then. Okay, now how do we find the conjugate of a particular complex number? First, we need to know what conjugate is. Now, given that my x equals a plus ib, so I gave my last class, conjugate of x will be what? X bar. Conjugate of x will be what? X bar, and in which case it's going to be the same thing as what? A minus what? IB. That's this sign will change to what? Minus. If it was minus, conjugate of x bar of x in that case what? Would be what? Plus. So conjugate of x in this case becomes what? A minus what? IB. Now, as we are now given x plus x bar, what will be the solution? It becomes what? A plus IB plus what? A minus IB. In which case I'll have this as what? 2A. Okay, because expand I'm going to have A plus A, then IB plus minus IB. That's adding the real part to the real part and adding the imaginary part to the what? Imaginary part. Now that's that. Now for x minus x bar, what will that be? In that case, I'm going to have what? This minus what? This. Okay, in which case I'm going to have it as what? 2b. Now that's I to b or 2bi. Now a minus a is gone. Then ib minus ib, it gives me what? 2b. Okay, so now that's the subtraction. Now in this case then, let's now look for the multiplication. X times what? X bar will be the same thing as what? A plus IB times what? A minus what? IB, which gives us what? A squared, okay, plus what? B squared. Why? Because if I expand, this becomes A times A, that's A squared. This is minus IAB plus IAB, they cancel out. Then what? Minus what? BI squared, where my I squared is what? Minus 1 times minus becomes plus. I get my answer as what? A squared plus what? B squared. And that's for that. Now, let's see this question. Factorize A squared plus B squared as a product of two complex numbers. That's I should get the imaginary part and what? The real part in that case then. How do I solve this? From the question, we have A squared plus what? 3B squared. First, I have to change 3 to what? To something that to square. So that becomes A squared plus what? Square root of 3, or B root 3 or what? Squared. So if I expand this, I will still get what? 3B squared. They are the same thing. So I can use it like this also in this case. Now, what will this be in complex form? It will be what? A plus what? IB root 3 dot IB root what? Root 3. Now, on expanding, what do I have? I will have what? I would have A squared minus IAB root 3 plus IAB root 3. They cancel themselves out. Minus what? Minus I squared B squared root 3 all squared. So in this case, I'm going to have it as what? I'm going to have it as what? A squared minus, in this case, becomes plus what? B squared times what? 3. Becomes what? B squared times what? Times 3. So my answer is what? Is A squared plus B squared times 3. So which is the same thing as this. So it means my solution is what? Is correct. So in complex form, it's going to be what? This times what? This. As the question said, expressed as the product of what? Two complex numbers. And that's the solution.